What's up, y'all? This video is taken from the UI Kit course that I recently released. We cover programmatic UI, core data, Firebase, user authentication, and much more in the course. Link to it will be in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, y'all, let's actually get into some coding. You know, we just went through the whole project setup. It can be a little tedious sometimes, but now we're gonna actually get into some code, and we're gonna have some fun building this out. So let's get into it. So the first thing I wanna note is we're here in the scene delegate, and the first thing we're going to see is the view controller when we open up our application, but we actually want to change that. I'm going to want to display a tab bar controller where we're going to have our view controllers inside the tab bar controller. And we're actually going to have two tab bar controllers, one for if a user is signed in and one if a user is not signed in. We're going to do the user not signed in or the user signed in first. We're going to create a new file. We go here to Explorer, create a new file. CocoaTouch class, UI tab bar controller. We'll call this primary bar view controller. All right. And in this tab bar view controller, we're going to want to configure our tab bars. So we're going to create a function, private func, private func, configure tab bars. And in here we want to instantiate our view controller. So let vc1 equal view controller, and let vc2 equal favorites view controller. So shown if user is signed all right, this is only shown if there's a user signed in the primary tab bar view controller. So we're actually going to call this one home view controller. And now we're going to have to, so we can delete this one. And now we need to create two view controllers. So new file. It's going to be a UI view controller. So we need a home one. Just hit enter twice. And then we're going to do the same thing for favorites. Okay. This one should go away. Just do Command B. Just give Xcode a second. This will probably go away. All right. And now VC1 tab bar image or item. Image. And here we want to actually set the image that's going to be shown in our tab bar. And if we open up SF symbol. Actually, we don't even need to do that anymore. I just realized in Xcode, if you go here, the plus, you can just look up SF symbols. For explore, I believe I use a shuffle. So we're going to do UI image system name. Then we need to make sure we wrap this in quotes. And then VC2, we can just hit the good old copy and paste. VC2 for this one, we just want a heart. Again, you can search through here, or if you guys want, you can download SF symbols and search in there. The title equals explore, VC2 title equals favorites. All right, and we actually want to put these in a navigation bar. So nav VC, just call this nav1. In the UI navigation controller, view controller, VC1, and nav VC or nav2. Because UI navigation controller, VC2. We're almost done. We actually call a function called set view controllers. It's a cool function that we can call here in the UI tab controller. And in here we could do nav1 and then nav2 animated true. So let's actually run this and see what we get. So we're gonna have to go to the scene delegate. Wait, before we run this, so for this one, let's do view.background color. Let's do like system mint. And I'm gonna copy this, and then in the favorites, let's add a color, just so we know what we're working with. Where's magenta? Let's do indigo. That's different. Although I don't know if indigo was to be supported for. Well, one thing I don't know if we went through was the target is iOS 14, so I'm not sure if some of these will be supported. Actually, I don't think system. Yeah, I just realized. Yeah, system mint isn't supported, so let's just do red. Is this supported? Let's just do red and blue. Go back to the basics. We hit command run, and this is building, so we'll see. So yeah, like explore and then favorites. All right, so it's working. Our tab bar is working. Just a few things I want to add in here though is I want to change the tab bar tint color to dot label. This will give it a contrast. Actually, let's change it to system gray 6. Let's see how this looks. And if we do I think Command Shift A changes the light and dark mode. So alright, so we're in light mode here. This is how it shows. We need the background color. I think I want to change that. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, let's do that. And then the tint color can be system background. Let's see how that looks. Because that'll get rid of the blue. Let's see how this looks. Because system gray gives you like the opposite color, but a little bit grayish. Oh. I like this one. But wait, let's do label. How does label look? Ah, there we go. I like it. I like it. All right, so now we're set with our tab bar, and now we can just start. Let's actually create some structure here. So let's create a new group. Call this home. The home view controller, and another group. Call this favorites. We'll put these in here. All right, so that's it for this video. We went through and set up our tab bar view controller, and then the next one we're gonna start building out our whole home view controller. I'll see y'all there. Peace.